In 2025, military technology has reached a point where speed, stealth, and artificial intelligence dominate the battlefield. These cutting-edge weapons aren't just tools of defense, they're game changers that can decide conflicts in minutes. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most advanced high-tech weapons of 2025. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. AGM-183ARRW. The AGM-183ARRW, often called the Arrow, is one of the United States' most revolutionary breakthroughs in modern missile technology. This hypersonic glide weapon has been designed to be launched from heavy aircraft like the B-52 bomber, allowing it to cover vast distances at unimaginable speeds. What sets the Arrow apart is its breathtaking velocity. It can travel at more than Mach 20, which means it moves over 20 times the speed of sound. At such astonishing speed, the missile can strike distant targets within minutes, often before enemy radars can even detect its approach. The ARRW's sleek, aerodynamic body is engineered to minimize drag and heat, enabling it to slice through the upper atmosphere with maximum efficiency. Inside, it carries an advanced guidance system that ensures extraordinary accuracy even during complex combat missions or in areas with electronic interference. A unique in-flight abort feature adds an extra layer of safety, allowing operators to cancel a mission mid-course if necessary, something rarely found in hypersonic weapons. Priced at about $6 million per missile, the Arrow combines affordability for its class with unmatched strategic advantage. Its greatest strength lies in its ability to bypass even the most sophisticated air defense systems, making it one of the hardest missiles to stop. Number 2. DFZF Hypersonic Glide Vehicle. China's DFZF Hypersonic Glide Vehicle is one of the most remarkable advancements in global military technology, reshaping the landscape of modern warfare. Unlike conventional ballistic missiles that follow predictable arcs, the DFZF glides unpredictably through the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, often exceeding Mach 10 times the speed of sound. This unpredictable flight path makes it exceptionally difficult for enemy radar systems and missile defense networks to detect, track, or intercept. The DFZF is launched atop a ballistic missile before detaching and entering its glide phase, where it maneuvers freely through the atmosphere. This unique capability allows it to evade traditional defensive countermeasures designed for missiles with fixed trajectories. Its compact yet highly advanced guidance system ensures it remains on course even while making sharp, sudden maneuvers at extraordinary speeds. Adding to its sophistication are multiple safety features, including launch phase abort controls and secure remote operation. These allow commanders to halt or redirect the weapon if necessary, reducing risks of accidental strikes or malfunctions during critical missions. Perhaps the most striking feature of the DFZF is its agility in mid-flight. By unpredictably changing direction, it confuses tracking systems and limits the effectiveness of even the most advanced interceptor missiles. With an estimated price of around $12 million per unit, the DFZF underscores China's rapid progress in cutting-edge weapons development and highlights the intensifying competition in the global hypersonic arms race. Number 3. B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider represents the cutting edge of next-generation stealth bombers and is a crucial part of the United States strategy for maintaining air superiority. Designed with a sleek, all-black blended wing shape, the B-21 minimizes its radar signature to remain virtually invisible to enemy detection systems. This advanced stealth technology allows it to penetrate heavily defended airspaces without triggering alarms, making it a game-changer in long-range strategic strikes. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the B-21 is its integration of artificial intelligence into its flight systems. While it is piloted by a 2-person crew, AI assists in navigation, threat assessment, and target tracking. This not only reduces pilot workload during critical missions, but also improves precision and response time. The bomber's modular weapons bays can adapt to a variety of missions, carrying conventional weapons, smart munitions, or even specialized payloads depending on the objective. Equally impressive is its electronic warfare capability. The B-21 is equipped with state-of-the-art jamming systems and advanced cybersecurity measures to defend itself from electronic attacks while maintaining secure communication with allied forces. Its global reach allows it to strike virtually anywhere in the world without needing forward bases. With an estimated cost of about $750 million per unit, the B-21 Raider is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Number 4. Poseidon Nuclear Torpedo. Russia's Poseidon nuclear torpedo is perhaps the most fearsome underwater weapon ever conceived. This massive, nuclear-powered unmanned torpedo is designed to operate autonomously, capable of traveling thousands of kilometers under the sea at great depths. Its ability to move quietly and undetected by most sonar systems makes it an almost invisible threat to coastal targets, naval fleets, and critical infrastructure. What sets Poseidon apart is not just its stealth, but its devastating payload. It carries a nuclear warhead powerful enough to cause widespread destruction if deployed. Experts warn that in the worst-case scenario, it could generate radioactive tsunamis capable of flooding and contaminating coastal cities, a capability that has raised global concern and debate over its potential impact. Poseidon's advanced navigation systems enable it to plot courses independently, minimizing the need for constant human control. It is also equipped with fail-safe mechanisms to prevent unintended detonations, adding a layer of security to its operation. The torpedo's endurance and range make it an unprecedented strategic weapon, changing how nations think about naval defense. Estimated to cost between $40 million and $60 million per unit, Poseidon showcases a dramatic leap forward in underwater warfare technology. Number 5. T-14 Armata 2025 Upgrade. The T-14 Armata 2025 upgrade, widely nicknamed the AI Monster Tank, highlights how ground warfare is evolving toward automation and precision. This Russian main battle tank features a fully unmanned turret, allowing its crew to remain safely in an armored compartment within the hull. The tank's AI systems handle much of the targeting and firing, reducing human risk on the battlefield. Its sleek, angular design isn't just for appearance. The shape improves defensive strength by deflecting enemy fire. The T-14 is fitted with modular armor that can be replaced or upgraded as needed, giving it a significant advantage over older tanks. Active protection systems intercept incoming missiles before they can strike, while smoke screens can be deployed to obscure its position from enemy sensors. Armed with a 125mm smoothbore cannon, the T-14 can automatically identify, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously, a level of automation previously unheard of in traditional tanks. It also features full radar coverage and an anti-missile system, enhancing its survivability in high-threat environments. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, this tank combines mobility with heavy firepower. With a price tag of about $10 million per unit, the T-14 Armata exemplifies the shift toward AI-integrated ground combat vehicles, showing how future wars might be fought with minimal human involvement on the front lines. The top 5 high-tech weapons of 2025 reveal a future where speed, stealth, and AI redefine the battlefield. Which weapon impressed or shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.